Let's go fishing. The fishing rod is a great example of a third-class lever. The third-class lever, kind of like the second-class lever, has the fulcrum at the end with the effort force and the resistance force on the same side of the fulcrum. Right? So our effort force would be right here because that's where my hand is going to be when I'm holding the fishing rod. And my resistance force is going to be at the end. Okay, so let's go down here. Down here is where we're going to be reeling in the big one, right? Our big fish is down here. And that is what is going to be causing our resistance on our pole. So let's find that distance first. So the distance of my resistance is going to be from the resistance itself all the way down here to the fulcrum being the end of the rod. Okay, so if I look at that, it is going to be 77 and, let's see, that'd be 8, 9, 10, 11 sixteenths. Right, so 77 and 11 sixteenths. All right, then my effort is going to be where my hand is. I have my hand right here. The center point of my hand is approximately right here. And I'm going to use a smaller ruler for that. Get that in there right. And about center point to the end. And that is 3 1/4 of an inch. Okay, now for this example, I did the problem the same way as the others, giving me a 0.0418 mechanical advantage. Notice that this mechanical advantage is less than 1. So yes, whenever I put the effort in, I am having to use a greater force than the actual force of the resistance, in this case the fish. Have you ever noticed whenever you're lifting up the fish with your fishing pole, the fish feels like it's so much heavier than whenever you actually get it out of the water? Of course, you've got water resistance in there as well. But you get a trade-off there. The speed at which that you're pulling it out of the water, and also the distance. So whenever you barely move your wrist, the distance that the end of the pole is moving is greater. So there is a trade-off, and that's why those third-class levers are used, even though it doesn't give you a mechanical advantage of higher than 1.